Hello viewers, are you facing Instagram chat theme song option not working problem? Viewers, if I try to turn on theme songs and if I set a theme songs, here you can see still theme songs option is turned off. That means theme song option is not working. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all go to Play Store or App Store. Then click on search bar and search for Instagram. Update your Instagram apps in latest version if available any update version. Now open the Instagram app after completing update process and then click on profile icon. Then click on three line icon from the top of right. Now scroll down and go to help option. Then go to report a problem option. Now click on report problem without checking option. Then click on include and continue option. Here explain your issue in details. After explain your issue, now send your report. Just click on send option. After this step, I hope Instagram chat theme song not working problem will be solved successfully. If still you are facing same problem, then wait few times because this is a new update. It is not yet available on all accounts in Instagram. That's why it is not working on some accounts in Instagram. It will be solved automatically after a while.